How to change address in the AliExpress application. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you have put on a wrong address and want to change it on AliExpress application, it is quite simple. So to get started with, make sure you have the latest version of AliExpress account. Download it and tap open. Make sure you are logged in. Now tap on the profile account or the account option which is on the bottom right. Next to your flag of your country, you will see settings icon. Tap on it. And here on the second, you will see shipping address. Tap on it. Now click on add new address. Once you tap on the add new address button, you will see a list of fields that you need to fill up in order to add or change the address. To get started with, you need to put up or choose the country and region. Then after, you have to provide your contact number and other details, which includes address, street number, zip code, and much more. You can either search it by the zip code, street, or address, or manually type in the address as well. Make sure to save it before making the changes. Optionally, you can also set it as the default shipping address. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.